Hi! Welcome to Nature's Mega Pack. Today, we meet the kingfisher, a bird of dazzling colors, deadly dives, and a secretive life few truly know. What is a kingfisher? Kingfishers are small to medium-sized birds known for their bright blue and orange plumage, long pointed beaks, and sharp hunting skills. But don't let their beauty fool you. They are precise predators and excellent parents. Where do kingfishers live? Kingfishers live across the world, from rivers in Asia to coastlines in Africa and forests in Australia. They prefer places near clean, freshwater bodies, lakes, rivers, and mangroves. But some live far from water, hunting insects in dry forests and savannas. Types of kingfishers. There are over 100 species of kingfishers, each with its own charm. Here are some of the most stunning types you should know. 1. Common kingfisher, Alcedo athis. Small, bright blue and orange, across Europe and Asia. 2. Pied kingfisher, Cereal rudes. Black and white with the ability to hover mid-air. A true fishing expert. 3. Blue-eared kingfisher. Smaller than the common one, but shines like sapphire in sunlight. 4. Belted kingfisher. Found in North America, it's larger and has a spiky crest and loud rattling calls. 5. Collared kingfisher, coastal bird with turquoise wings and a white collar. Found in Asia and the Pacific. How do kingfishers hunt? With eyes built for precision, kingfishers sit quietly on a perch. Then suddenly dive at lightning speed to snatch fish from the water. They also eat insects, frogs, crustaceans, and sometimes even small snakes. Life cycle of a kingfisher. A kingfisher's life begins in a nest tunnel, not in a tree, but dug into a riverbank by both the male and female. Eggs. 3 to 7 white eggs are laid. Chicks hatch blind and featherless. Fledglings. After 3 to 4 weeks, they learn to fly and hunt. Their full lifespan, up to 7 years in the wild, longer in captivity if protected. Courtship and mating. Male kingfishers offer fish to females during courtship. The bigger the fish, the better. If the female accepts, the pair become a team, raising their young together. Dangers and conservation. Despite their beauty, many kingfisher species are at risk due to pollution, deforestation, and wetland loss. Some are listed as near threatened or endangered, like the blue-banded kingfisher. Now let's take a closer look at the pied kingfisher. We'll use it to represent all kingfishers. This little bird is about the size of a sparrow, but with a vibrant black and white pattern that makes it look like a tiny penguin. Its long pointed beak is perfect for spearing fish. And when it dives, it looks like a mini torpedo zooming through the water. But what really makes kingfishers special is how they hunt. They sit on a branch near the water and wait for a fish to swim close by. Then they do something amazing. They hover in mid-air and then dive straight down into the water. When they hit the water, they close their eyes and tuck in their beak to protect themselves. Then, splash, they pop back up with a fish in their beak. The fish isn't very happy about being caught, but it makes a tasty meal for the kingfisher. As I mentioned earlier, there are many different types of kingfishers, but they all have a few things in common. First, they are all very colorful, with bright blues, reds, greens, and oranges. Second, they all have long, slender beaks that are great for catching fish. Third, they all live near water, such as rivers, lakes, and ponds. So next time you see a colorful bird swooping down into the water, keep your eyes peeled because it might be a kingfisher. These birds are not only beautiful to look at, but they are also fascinating to watch as they dive into the water to catch their prey. So the next time you're near a body of water, keep an eye out for these amazing birds. You never know when you might see one of these beautiful creatures in action. Amazing facts! Kingfishers' colors come from light-reflecting feathers, not pigment. Some species can hover in place like hummingbirds. Their eyes have a transparent membrane that lets them see underwater clearly. Call to action! Kingfishers are more than just beautiful birds. They're nature's elite divers, engineers, and caretakers. Subscribe to Nature's Mega Pack for more magical wildlife journeys. Like, share, and tell us in the comments, which bird should we explore next?